Hello, in this video, I will show how to open an account at Rakuten Trade and complete a buy trade as well. Let's start. Step 1. Click the link to start register, or use the official website to register. Don't forget to enter the referral code 47389XYVFY. Step 2. Fill in the information required including your IC, and don't forget, fill in the referral code 47389XYVFY to get the RM60 reward. Step 3. Complete face verification and continue to fill in the information required. For the bank details, the bank account needs to be under your name, and for the last page, just simply select your answer. Step 4. Complete the remaining parts based on your relevant answers, and submit the application. Step 5. You will receive 3 emails in total. The first email is email verification, which you are required to press the link to verify your email address. Email 2 will inform you whether the email is verified or not. Then, wait for around 24 hours to receive the third email, which informs you about the successful opening of account in Rakuten Trade. In the third email, there will be a PDF that contains your temporary password for the account. To open the PDF, you will need to enter the password of the first letter of your name and the final 6 digit of your IC number. For example, L for Lim, followed by the last 6 digit of IC number. Next, I will show you how to complete a buy trade in Rakuten Trade. Let's start. Step 1. Search for Rakuten Trade's official website on Google or any searching engines. Press login and enter your username and the password obtained from the PDF file in email 3 just now. Step 3. Go to My Account and select Cash Deposit. You can enter any amount you want to deposit, but 5 is enough for this event. Click Proceed. Step 4. You can use your own bank account and transfer to the bank account stated on the web page or by using FPX. Then, go back to My Account again, and check whether the deposit is successful. Step 5. Search G3 on the search box, and click into the stock. Then, click Buy. Step 7. Fill in the price that you want to buy. You can refer to the current price written on the web page. Type in quantity and trading pin, and finally press Confirm Order. The last step, go to Order Status and select Orders. If the status has been changed from unmatched to matched, your trade is successfully completed. If you are interested in getting RM60 reward, please screenshot this page, and send it to me via Instagram, at FINCORN888. Thank you for watching.